Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Proven Investments has been revealed as the buyer of NCB's stake in Jamaica money market brokers JMMB. The purchase gives Proven 20% of JMMB Group, making it the largest shareholder in the financial entity. Proven acquired the shares in the company after National Commercial Bank, NCB, sold its controlling interest in JMMB. Proven Investments says the purpose of the acquisition is to generate dividend income and to ensure that JMMB Group can be characterized as an associated company of Proven Investments. Digicel's chairman, Dennis O'Brien, will take up the role of interim CEO following the sudden passing of the telecommunications company's group chief executive, Alex Matuszka von Griefenklau. Mr. von Griefenklau died suddenly yesterday while on holiday with his family in Germany. He was a key player in negotiating a debt refinancing with bondholders, which concluded last week. Under the terms of the deal, the majority of holders of around $3 billion in bonds due in 2020 and 2022 agreed to swap them for bonds with longer dated maturities. Mr. von Griefenklau was appointed group chief executive in February this year. He succeeded Colm Delves. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.96. The Canadian dollar closed at $95.86. The pound sold for $163.58, while the euro is going for $152.12. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in February went down by 80 cents to settle at $44.61 a barrel. The JSE index gained 7,763 points today, while the junior market index went down by 7 points. Among the winners were 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Berita Investments, Carib Cement, Derrimon Trading, Everything Fresh, General Accident Insurance Company, and Honeybun. Now, among the losers were Berger Paints, Caribbean Producers, Fosrich, GUS Corporation, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Producers, and Kingston Properties. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.
The Financial Week is